Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch data roaming off or on the Honor 90 smartphone. This is part of our coverage of the Honor 90 smartphone. We'll be wrapping it up soon with our long-term review, so we're also going to be publishing the rest of our tutorial videos. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, please do like and subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, first thing to do to get there is to open settings on your device. Once you're in settings, go to mobile network, and then you'll have mobile data. Tap on that, and you'll have sections according to which SIM card is in your device. In this case, I'm on my second SIM card. I'm going to switch data roaming on. If you switch data roaming on, you'll get a warning note saying that roaming service may generate additional usage fees. You click that on, and that's data roaming on. Likewise, if you want to switch data off, you can toggle that switch off. So just to show you again, this is your home screen on the Honor 90. Press the settings menu, mobile network, mobile data, and then click on data roaming to switch it on or off. We hope this video has been useful to you. As I said earlier, we already have some Honor 90 videos on our YouTube channel. We are soon to publish our long-term review. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.